So for us, using Raptor for dismissal makes so much sense because before DismissalSafe, there was no one point of contact. There was no one avenue for information. Parents were calling the office, emailing teachers, sending in notes, and that information was getting lost somewhere. So going to Raptor and having the parent app is an incredibly great solution because it puts the power in the parents' hands to do one thing. That information is shared live time with our teachers and our office. And if somebody is struggling to use the app, if we have a grandparent that can't use the technology, they can call the office and our office can do it for them through their dashboard. But for teachers who were previously using clipboards and checklists that are outdated the minute that they're printed, this is huge for us because they can update live time when they go to send the kids on their way at the end of the day. And we can look back at the information and see how they were dismissed if there's any confusion from families or from teachers and staff.